Good evening, students. Good evening, students. So, how was your day? What did you do today? How was your day? Very good. So, you had a super day, wonderful day. Can you tell me, one of you at least, what did we do yesterday in the class? What did we discuss in the class yesterday? You can put it on chat. Anybody wants to speak? I will allow you to speak. You raise your hand. I can allow you to speak. What did we do yesterday? What did we discuss in the class yesterday? Huh? You all answered also, right? Huh? What did we discuss yesterday? Yesterday we continued on. Yes, very good. Excellent. We continued on root cause analysis. Whenever there is a problem, whenever there is an issue that is faced during our execution, software execution, if there are any problems that is faced by the users, then we do a root cause analysis to find out what is the exact issue, and then we solve the problem. I will just share with you one of the problems we faced just today. We had one of the applications, we had two types of IDs, user IDs. One is their admin ID, the other one is a normal user ID. That particular organization had given two types of IDs to some of the users. The person who had one admin ID and one normal ID was using the system. He was trying to do some actions on the system, on the software. He did everything. Then he closed this system and went for some meeting. He came back. He once again logged in and checked. The entry which was made was not at all there, which was submitted by him was not at all there. Then he immediately panicked and called us to know what is the problem, what is the problem. The one which I submitted is not available now. But when I submitted, I saw the entries, but now I am not able to see the entries. Then we wanted to. You tell me what could be the problem? Can you tell me? The person had two types of logs in to do some actions on the system. One is a normal user login, the other one is a admin login. He did some work on the system. He went for a meeting and came back. He was trying to check the records. The records were not there. Is it a problem or not? Is this a software problem or not? The records I created are not in the screen. Is it a problem or not? Is it a problem? Yes or no? It is a problem. Yes If it is yes, more thumbs up. If it is no, thumbs down. The entries, the records he created was not there after some time. So it is a problem. So we went and checked what could be the problem. Can you tell me what could be the problem from what I said? Can you tell me what could be the problem? Network issues. If there are network issues, the application will not open. If there are network issues, it is not possible that the records are not found. It's a good guess, Ganesh. It's a good guess. You can think again. What could be the problem? The user had two user credentials, normal user at gmail.com with password welcome 123. He also had admin user at gmail.com 123 welcome. These are his credentials. There are two credentials. One is a normal user credential, the other one is an admin credential. Now tell me, he added some records. After some time, he did not see the records. Application opened. Tell me what could have happened. You have to quickly tell me. You cannot eat the time because I have to finish what I have planned today. Yes, he said he saved the entry. He saved the entry and I saw the entries before going for the meeting. Very good guess. Excellent guess. Again, again guess, no? Yes. Again guess. See, in any software application, the admin user is the one who can see all the entries. இப்போ ஒரு அட்மினுக்கு கீழே 7-8 யூசர்ஸ் இருப்பாங்க. நார்மல் யூசர், நார்மல் யூசர் 1, நார்மல் யூசர் 2, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு 10 யூசர் இருக்கான்னு வச்சுக்குவோம். Admin can see all users information. He logged in with a normal user credential given to him and he was trying to check from the other user login. He checked it from his friend at gmail.com. This is some welcome 233. It was created by user 1. This is admin. This is user 2. He asked his friend to log in and check. Can he see what Ganesh has entered some data? I am also another normal user. Can he see what Ganesh has entered? Is it right credential? Is it legal or ethical to go and see what Ganesh has entered? And Syed is the admin. Syed will see my records, Ganesh records, or anybody else's record. So the same normal user 1 and normal admin user are the same user 1, the person user 1. Maybe I will call him Ganesh. This is Ganesh. This is also Ganesh. Ganesh has two credentials. user 2 is Syed. So Syed will use this credential to log in. But Ganesh has two logs in, one for normal user and the other one for admin user ID. In such cases, we had to find out why he is not able to see the records. Then we found out that that person has to use his own credentials to log in and check his records, not somebody else's login. Correct or not? Easy analysis, right? Children, did you get the point? Please thumbs up, please. Children, I want from all. I want from all. All can at least send thumbs up, right? You will not type, you will not put your thoughts in the chat. You can at least send thumbs up. Are you logging in for the sake? How many of you feel these sessions are useful? Tell me. If you are going to keep mum, I will also keep mum. How many of you feel the sessions are useful? The session la useful irka. Children, I want it on the chat. I want all of you to type on the chat. No thumbs up, thumbs down. I want on the chat. Yes, you don't know the value of this. I am not sharing anything. I am only speaking. I will share, but I did not show anything. Do you find the session useful? Can you at least type on the chat, please? One Kannadasan has written. All others, what happened, Syed? How do you find the session, Syed? I'm going to pick and ask. Yes, Syed. Children, can you all hear me? Okay. How do you find the sessions? I want it on the chat, please. I want all of you to write something on the chat. Not good. Somebody is saying not good. You don't know the value of these sessions now. When you get into the industry, when you go for your aptitude test, you will definitely think of us. I am having severe cold and cough. I'm still doing the session for you. I want all of you to take some notes and some takeaway. Every day you should have some takeaway from me. Fine? Okay. Now I'm going to share one of the websites which has very good, useful software development problems. Why do problems occur? We are talking about the issues, the root cause analysis. When it comes to the root cause analysis, we definitely check why, what is the problem which has surfaced, what is the problem which the organization is facing, what is the problem with the software, where is it the problem, where is the problem, who created this. Problems can be of these types, four types. Unclear. No, most of the time, children, most of the time, we will end up with requirements not being very clear. When the customer comes to us, and I told you about the business analyst who will go and study the requirements. During the requirement study, many times what happens is the requirements which we are capturing may be not adequate. It will be, requirements will be there, but may not be adequate. For example, in your school database, let us take the example of school database. Okay, we'll have student ID, then student name, health, school, last studied, last studied, then marks or CGPA, father's name, address. So these are the information they collect. Other than this, what else your college collects from a student? If you check your ID card, you will also have blood group. Irka, do you have blood group in your ID card? You can check. Date of birth, excellent, very good, excellent. You have date of birth, excellent. What else you have? So இதெல்லாம் கலெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Supposing I did not capture this marks. I அப்படின்னா இந்த காலேஜ்ல when they ask or the college for students with CGPA greater than 8, greater than 8 in 12th standard and நான் எப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறேன் 12th CGPA greater than 8 and engineering CGPA between 9. Between 7 and 9. Get me the students. அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. Supposing I did not capture CGPA of 12th, can I give? Supposing I did not capture CGPA of 12. இது வந்து ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் டாடா கன்சல்டன்சி சர்வீசஸ்ல வராங்க. வந்து இந்த மாதிரி கேட்குறாங்க, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வித் 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் CGPA greater than 8 ஆகும், engineering CGPA between 7 and 9 ஆகும் கேட்குறாங்க. என்னால் எடுத்து காலேஜில் பண்ணுறது ஸ்கூல் the college will have. ஏன்னா every semester marks are updated in your system and they can get you this. But if they have not captured this, can they give it? Can they select the students with CGPA greater than 8 in 12th standard if they have not captured the CGPA of 12th standard? புரியுறதா இல்லையா? Children, did you understand? Did you understand? Okay. So, அப்போ என்னாச்சு? There was a requirement problem. இந்த requirement சரியா நம்ம கேப்சர் இந்த அப்ளிகேஷன் டெவலப் பண்ணும்போது அந்த requirement கரெக்டா இல்லாததுனால டாடா கன்சல்டன்சி சர்வீசஸ்லேருந்து வந்து இதை கேட்கும்போது நம்மளால கொடுக்க முடியல. திஸ் இஸ் வாட் requirements problem அப்படின்னா unclear and ever changing. முக்காவாசி என்ன ஆகும்னா every requirement will keep changing. For example, இப்போ petrol prices, what is the current petrol price? What is the current petrol price? Those who are driving, what is the current petrol price? எல்லாரும் வண்டி வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? All boys will have vandi, correct? 102 rupees per liter. Very good. So 102. ஒரு லாஸ்ட் மந்த் பெட்ரோல் காஸ்ட் என்ன? லாஸ்ட் மந்த் பெட்ரோல் காஸ்ட் என்ன? நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் பெட்ரோல் காஸ்ட் அதே தான் இருக்குமா? Will the petrol cost be same 102 rupees? Will increase. So அப்போ requirement change ஆகுதா? This is how the requirements will change. GST இப்போ எவ்ரி டைம் பட்ஜெட் படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா நிறைய சேஞ்சஸ் நடக்கும். இந்த ஜிஎஸ்டி வரி எல்லாம் போடுறது அந்த அப்படின்னா அர்த்தம் requirements are changing. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து 7% இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கொடுக்குறேன்னு சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க பேங்க்ல. ஆஃப்டர் தி பட்ஜெட் they will increase the interest rates. லோன் வாங்கினா முன்னாடி 8%, இப்போ 9%. டியூரிங் த கோவிட் வந்து குறைச்சாங்க, பட் ஆஃப்டர் த கோவிட் திருப்பி இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணாங்க. ரியல் எஸ்டேட் வேல்யூஸ் ஆர் growing. So the requirements will always change. We should know that the requirements will never be frozen. அப்போ இந்த இது படி பார்த்தோம்னா unclear, sometimes clear இருக்காது requirements, or ever changing software requirements. These two can cause problems to the software development. Next, I told you business analyst அங்க போகும்போது இந்த requirement சரியா கொடுக்கல, இந்த CGPA வேணும்னு சொல்லல. business analyst போய் கேட்டோம், who is the person who will talk to the customer, take the requirements, document it and give it to the design team. This is what we discussed yesterday. Business analyst will go to the customer and produce the software requirements document. Design engineer will do the designing. Developers will do the development. Testers will do the testing, and DevOps, it's called as DevOps, will put it in the production. Then comes the production support engineers. இப்பதான் cycle போகும். So when they gave the requirement, they did not say that well standard CGPA is required. அதனால when the recruitment organization asked, these people could not give. அதுதான் unclear, inadequate communication. It is called inadequate communication. The customer did not communicate the requirement properly. Sometimes எல்லா சாஃப்ட்வேருமே இந்த vulnerability testing பண்ணியிருக்கணும். Non-disclosure agreement அப்படின்னு ஒரு டாக்குமெண்ட் உண்டு. When an employee joins an organization, he has to sign this document. அதாவது இந்த கம்பெனி இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை நான் வெளியில போய் யாருக்கும் சொல்ல மாட்டேன் அப்படின்னு அவன் சொல்ற டாக்குமெண்ட் தான் இது. அப்படி சைன் பண்ணிட்டு if he goes and gives the information to somebody, அப்பவும் ப்ராப்ளம் வரும். சாஃப்ட்வேர் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் will arise. Sometimes what happens is during the development phase, we may not foresee some of the problems or one of the implementations. When the server was from IBM, we bought the server from IBM. Production banking application அதில் ரோல் அவுட் பண்ணும். அதில் ரோல் அவுட்னா இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன் பண்ணும். அந்த அந்த சர்வரில் சம் டெக்னிக்கல் இஷ்யூஸ் வந்துடுது. We could not envisage that particular technical problem because it is all ரொம்ப சர்வர் பேஸ்டு. நம்ம டெவலப் பண்ணுறதுல லோக்கல் மெஷினில் டெவலப் பண்ணுவோம். டெஸ்டிங்கும் ஒரு சின்ன சிஸ்டம் தான் இருக்கும், ரொம்ப பெரிய சர்வர் இருக்காது, ஒரு மீடியம் சைஸ்டு சர்வராக இருக்கும். பட் ஆக்சுவல் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் என்வாயன்மெண்ட்டும் நம்ம டெஸ்ட் பண்ண என்வாயன்மெண்ட்டும் டூ மச் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதனால சில இஷ்யூஸ் எல்லாம் we cannot envisage. அது ப்ரொடக்ஷன் அந்த என்வாயன்மெண்ட்ல நம்ம வந்து சாஃப்ட்வேரை டிப்ளாய் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் நமக்கு தெரிய வரும். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் வந்து ஹிடன் காஸ்ட்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ ஒன் ஆஃப் த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ், it took more than a month for us to find out the issue. It took more than a month. In fact, IBM டெவலப்பர்ஸும் சேர்ந்து எங்களோட ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்க அதுக்கு. அப்போ மோர் தென் அ மந்த் அப்படின்னும் போது த காஸ்ட் அந்த அதுல இன்வால்வ்டு காஸ்ட் இஸ் வெரி ஹை. அதனாலையும் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வரலாம். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் த 4 types ஆஃப் ப்ராப்ளம். And the other one is too many bugs and flaws in the final product. Too many problems. Our developmentல ப்ராப்ளம், அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்ல ப்ராப்ளம், ரிக்வயர்மெண்ட்ல ப்ராப்ளம், கோடிங் எழுதுறச்ச நிறைய தப்பா கோடிங் எழுதுறது, அந்த மாதிரி எழுதினாலும் ப்ராப்ளம். அந்த டூ மெனி பக்ஸ் என்ன ஆகும், ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ல போச்சுன்னா டெய்லி ஒரு 50 இஷ்யூஸ் வரும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி வரும்போது we will face some issues. These are the 5 types of software problems. Now we will discuss about. I want you to tell me the 5 problems we just discussed. 5 software problems. What are the 5 software problems we just discussed? You have to tell me now. இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்லாம் என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சாதான் we can do a root cause analysis. We should first understand requirements. ப்ராப்ளம் வந்திருக்கலாம், கோடிங்லேருந்து ப்ராப்ளம் வந்திருக்கலாம், வல்னரபிலிட்டி இஷ்யூஸ்னால வந்திருக்கலாம், நான் டிஸ்க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுறதுனால வந்திருக்கலாம். இந்த மாதிரி so many types of issues can come. அப்படின்றது நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சாதான் we can do a root cause analysis. As I told you, this IBM server issue was found after about a month. அதெல்லாம் root cause கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்காக we were doing the analysis. We employed the IBM software professionals to do the root cause analysis along with us. Now tell me the 5 software problems we just discussed. Yes. I'm going to pick Ashwini. Ashwini will give the first problem we discussed. You want to speak, Ashwini? You can raise your hand or put it on the chat. Ashwini, yes. Yes. You cannot be like this. You cannot be mom. Write it, no? Write it on the chat. I want all the 5 points which we discussed just now to be put on the chat by all of you. Can you quickly do it? Children? Yes, put it, no? I am asking you to type in the QA box. Yes. What is the problem? I am not going to talk, okay? Very good, Ganesh. Requirement, communication, non-disclosure agreement, very good. What are the other 2? Others. I want to know whether you all have a notepad with you to write. These are all very important points because you are actually learning from the experienced professionals. What are the other 2 points? Very good, Ganesh. Excellent. Showing you that. Now you're right. What was missed? What got missed? Now, again, What are the two other points? Software bugs, very good, excellent. Bugs, when we develop with lot of issues, bugs. நம்ம கோடிங் சரியா தெரியலன்னா நிறைய பிரச்சனை வரும். So these are the 5 major issues we find in during the software development.